To the hip dip, the hop, you don't stop, don't stop. If the real hip hop, hip hop. To the hip dip, the hop, you don't quit. Came to rip shit, rip shit. Came to rip shit, rip shit.
I do nothing but impress and progress. Put your bets on the best, never give you less. Listen, his discretion is advised. More than meets the eye, it's the reprise of Ed's enterprise. Compromise with the lies fed to us by the G.O.V. You know me, all about the money, priority as of lately. Damn it, why you so funny? Ask me again so I can make the laughter turn into a disaster. I got the answers, wanna start something, turn your zombies into dancers. Props to the king, shatter your dreams. Gold dust, must adjust or combust, don't matter who you trust. Matter of fact, let's discuss Mr. Clutch with the Dutch, ripped in half and relax with Mary in the bag and the hash. Corrupted minds clash, I'm laying back, real as can be, bringing hip-hop back to the 10th degree. Fulfill fantasies, so compete with me. End up awake for your autopsy. It's a death trap, run with me, your lungs might collapse. It's a rap, as relapse to a strap and sit back and let the rhythm imprison the mind or the position. Enough of that racism, pray for them, exorcism. Ed, tell them, it's the alliance, back to rule on the tyrants. Virus vipers acting upon violence, let's minus the reliance. Time to be break the silence, reappear, disappear. Been a year, so unclear where we going from here. Add here to persevere. Peer pressure may be condescending, I fear. Best years have yet to begin, even though the past slashing gas with sin. Question immorality of the world we live in. I'm prepared to make the choice, avoid the noise with my voice. Rejoice for the new beginners I've brewed. Allude to exclude, you insist to include you. No excuse to intrude, failing to misuse. And prepare for this prelude. I'm on a spree, guaranteed. Foresee what's in store for me. If even without a degree, I can school the masses with my vocabulary. Advance and achieve musical creativity. Not gonna argue or complain. In fact, not even the pain nor insane. My verses are the vices, victimizing the vein. Brace for the repertoire, bizarre to mar. It's a quick fix to the cog. Sign into your log. Fear the underdog. Too quick for you to stick. Ripped your analog. Newborn, escalating to new height. Airborne. I could've sworn you were curious. Ask me why so serious. Fuel the fire, furious, notorious for glorious. Rise from the free fall. After all, as regret is unprofessional. Whether your fate's acceptable, let me be apprehensible. I'm unforgettable, my moment's most memorable. Think you're ahead of the game till I prevent it. Get even squared, no pun intended. Ideas implemented, recommended for the reaper who's back to condemn it.
The real hip hop.